So with having a show around the corner like next week, I can't even begin to tell you guys how exciting it is that we actually have inventory here on the ground. CSzopa here, BISH'S RV of Junction City, Oregon, and let me tell you guys, the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis motorhomes are the gem of the RV world right now. And a company like Jayco that's been doing this for 53 years has become one of our vendors to allow us to supply this coach to you. This coach will be at the show next week, but I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the 24R, highlight some excellent features that Jayco does specifically to their brand, which I'm so excited to tell you guys about, and then let's see if this is the right coach for you guys. So follow me really quick, and before we even go inside, the first thing I want to show you guys, like right out the gates, is the one-piece molded fiberglass cap. So the big deal between this coach and other ones in the industry, other brands, is this is a true one-piece molded fiberglass cap. What I mean by that is this whole piece is one piece attached to the motorhome. The seam line is back here. If you took that off, you could throw it on the water and it would float down the river like a boat. What's the big difference between this and another guy that says he has a one-piece molded fiberglass cap? I'll tell you what it is. Most of them are a quarter cap. Look to the right really quick. This here is called a quarter cap. This is what a lot of folks say that's a one-piece molded fiberglass cap, which really it isn't. That one piece right there is attached, as you can see. A lot of information to take in about that cap, but that just shows you the durability. So once we get inside, I can show you the benefits of that bunk inside the coach actually too. Follow me. So here on all Jaycos, especially this Melbourne series, which is really cool, is the Sidewall Construction. It's called VBL, Vacuum Bonded Lamination. So this sidewall, while that's so cool, what that means is that the vacuum bonded lamination is a process on how they adhesively seal the structure of the fiberglass to the internal sidewall. It goes through this process where it gets cured for 16 to 18 minutes at 144 tons of pressure onto that sidewall, so all that glue cures and keeps that all together and the adhesive sticks. So that thing is airtight, if you can kind of imagine. It almost has a 100% rating of curing with that type of process. To me, that screams structural integrity all day long for a sidewall. So guys, just think about that when you're looking at your coaching and your brands. How do they put that wall together? Is it pinch rolled? Is it a hung wall? What are the benefits? Big benefit for Jayco. Going down the sidewall here again, just a couple features really quick on the outside. That is called a quick LP connect. So if you guys have a barbecue pit, something you want to hook up outside to cook, hook it up right there and you guys are good to grill. You know, we're camping, right? Let's head inside. Let's talk about the 2+3 year warranty Jayco offers, and we'll go over all the inside features that blows away the competition. Come on in. So inside the coach, before we start looking at all the sweet features and going over all the things that Jayco offers that is truly separation of church and state just from manufacturers alone, let me tell you about this warranty. The 2+3 year warranty. The 2 years covers everything on this coach. Anything you can imagine here for 2 years from Jayco. That's 2 camping seasons. That's 730 days. If you were gone camping for 2 years straight, everything in here is covered. That's something to really digest and think about. The 3 years is the structural integrity of the entire coach. 2+3. That is amazing. I've never heard of this from any brand. I'm truly impressed for a company that's been doing this for 53 years. They keep getting better and better. So for the Mercedes side warranty, you get a 5-year, 100,000 mile coverage from Mercedes-Benz alone on everything that Mercedes offers on the coach. When it goes to roadside service, to your chassis, transmission, that is going to be a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. Still great numbers, great options. That all comes directly from Mercedes. So out the gates, buying a brand new coach, there's a lot of coverage from Jayco and Mercedes. Let's pan around here and let me show you the huge, excellent benefits. When I say huge, look at the size of that slide that's out right now. Space environment you get inside of this coach. This, I would call a 75% wall slide, goes back to the cap here of near where the rear bathroom is located. This is called the Murphy Bed Option Setup Motorhome. This is probably the most popular motorhome setup, sleeping arrangements, while maximizing your space you can find and get on a motorhome in the industry right now. Yes, the Murphy bed is my personal favorite because I like to put my stuff away and have room to hang out with my friends and my family and my toddler who runs around everywhere while not impeding on my space. This is actually a magic trick too. The force is strong, so the way that this comes down is all electrical driven. You just hold the button down after removing these top pillows and it flows right down. Let me show you how that works. But it's a quiet riding system. It comes right down. No plank legs in the front. It's got the durability and stability to sit. And there you go. Queen size bed that you can lay back on, and it's tucked away. It does not impede your space, and you have plenty of galley space still to get in front of the bed when you walk up and down the space. And away it goes. So once you've tucked away the Murphy bed and you have your space back open, you can sit back, relax, watch some TV, posing on the passenger side of the coach from your booth dinette. So what's nice about this is it's all front facing. If you drop down, the dinette table sits on the planks, put a bunch of pillows and cushions and blankets, you can turn this booth dinette setup into one of the coziest and comfiest couches arrangements for you and your loved ones and your kids to hang out and watch front facing TV. What's really cool about that counter space that you get under that television set is that full stainless steel sink. That's a lot of space in there to wash the dishes and wash the big accessories you use to cook with. And all this counter space for extra things, coffee makers, Keurigs, prep space, cooking space. It really maximizes the space on the Murphy bed option coach. This is, again, one of my favorite ones. You really can't beat it. And the best part is separation of the bathroom in the back of the coach. I'm going to let the camera cruise on back to take a look at the galley space as you go down. But left side, passenger side, as you just passed, was the refrigerator. But looking into the bathroom, you can see you get a full-size shower, toilets placed against the back wall. It's like a residential bathroom. And this is all under 26 feet, all of this. So you get all this motorhome, diesel motor, all this space under 26 feet. A couple more cool specs just for Jayco alone. The flooring is 3/8 structure wood, one piece. So when they make this and they put the placement of the flooring down, there's not a bunch of seams running down the floor that makes it creak and crank when you're driving down the road. It's seamless. That is what you want in a coach when you're driving down the road. Quiet riding, comfortable, and great galley space. Guys, I'm CSzopa. Don't let this coach disappear to the show next week before you come and see it first. I'd love to take you on a test drive. Thanks.